Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we have discussed exercise 11.1. Now, we started 11.2 also based on trapezium. So, question number one was simple, directly formula based. Let's see question number two, which was your homework. The area of trapezium is 34 centimeter square. So, the first thing given to you in the question is area itself. You don't have to find it. And the length of one of the parallel sides. So, we have seen two parallel sides are there, the opposite one is 10 centimeter and height is also given to you as 4 centimeter. Find the length of other parallel side. So very simple. So we have to find second parallel side. Yes, Arshul. So it's very simple. Again, as I've told you, whatever the question is, in the case of mensuration, in the case of geometry, diagrams are very important. So always make diagrams. So in this case, this is a trapezium that we have made from our side. A, B, C, D. Let me take it as A only and let me take it as B. Okay, 14 is the answer. That means the longer side is unknown. But while drawing the diagram, we have this confusion. So you can take any side, longer or smaller, no issue because it is a rough diagram. So that is not an issue. This is your H. So you know area is equal to half into H into sum of parallel sides. You know this value is how much? It is 34. So write 34 on the left hand side is equal to half into H is given to you as 4. Put 4 in its place. Then you have A plus B. So suppose you have taken A as 10. Suppose you have taken A as 10. No problem. So 10 plus B. Now we have to isolate the B. To isolate the B, you can see this is in bracket. So first you will keep this bracket on the right hand side and take all the other things to the left hand side. Okay, so you can solve like this. 2 2s are 4. This 2 will come in division of 34 and it will also divide this. It becomes 17. And then finally, what will you get? The value of B, please confirm. What will be the value of B? Please solve and tell me. After solving this, what will you get? The value of B, please confirm. We can keep, yes, the answer will be 7. Then why Harshul got 13 as answer? Harshul, please confirm. It was quite simple. How you got the answer as 13? Simply, you have to keep the brackets on the right hand side. Okay, so someone told 13. That's why I got confused. Let me see. Okay, Ananya by mistake gave the answer as 14. Okay, Harshul, fine. Now, sir, please do complete. Okay, 1 second, Joel. If you want the complete, then please see. So we have got 34 is equal to half into height, that was 4, into length of parallel sides, so that is this thing. So why have you taken A as 10? Okay, Prithu is saying why A as 10, why not B? Yes, Prithu, this only you want to ask, why not B as 10? Prithu? This only you want to ask, na? Okay. Prithu, you can take BS10. No problem. These both are variables. Nothing is given to you. They have not told the larger one is this or the smaller one is this. So it is your choice. Okay. It is not a problem. You can take BS10 also. Still, the answer will come the same. Okay. These are variables. No problem. Now, so you can simplify this to class. Can we cut this? Please tell. Can we cut like this? We can't cut like this because in this bracket inside there is a plus sign. This 10 is not independent to be cut because it is getting added to B. Before getting added, you can't divide it or you can't simplify it like this. This is wrong. Let me undo this. So 61. Okay, so 2 2s are 4. We can cut this because this is independent. Now 2 is left on this side. This 2 will come on left hand side and becomes 34 upon 2 is equal to 10 plus b, and finally we will get 2 17s are 34, and 34 equal to 10 plus b, sorry, 17 is equal to 10 plus b. Finally, isolate the b. 17 minus 10. Answer is b is equal to 7. So we have got the other side as 7. Okay, Joel. Now, the questions which are very easy, I will try to just give you the hint and we'll move to the next question. Okay. Question number 3. Let's read it together and you only will tell me whether we want to discuss or not. Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD, the field is given to you, ABCD, is 120 meter. They have given you the length of fence. So indirectly they have given you what? If they have given you the length of fence, indirectly they have given you what? The, yes, good. They have given you the perimeter. Very good, Abhinav. So you are given the length of AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This is given to you. Now what they are saying, if BC is 48, I think this is not a diagram, no? This diagram is for this field only. Yes, it is for this only. So if BC is 48, so if BC is 48 meters, CD is 17 meters, and AD is 40 meters, find area of the field. Okay, then they are saying one more thing, that side AB is perpendicular. This is also given to you. Class, now tell me, how will you find the area of the field when you don't know the height? We have seen in a trapezium we need to find a height, and height is always perpendicular to the base. So whatever is perpendicular to the base, that can be taken as height. So in this question, which side can be taken as height? Please tell. Which side can be taken as height? This AB can be taken as height itself. Very good. In this case, this AB is acting as two things, as normal side as well as height. Because we have seen this H is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides. In this case, AB is also doing the same thing. Now the problem is how to find AB. Very simple. Because in the first line itself they have given you the perimeter. You can say that again, without statements, if you directly write the numbers and you solve, then the story is not complete. Okay, that is not giving a perfect picture what you are trying to do. So better you go step by step and write like this: perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This is giving you a perfect statement. After this, put the values and then solve. Some of you might be having the, what do you say, habit of directly writing the numbers and solving. Okay, with the, instead of that, first write the values. So for this perimeter, write the value 120. You know the value of AB is unknown, so keep it AB only. Put the value of BC, put the value of CD, put the value of DA. And we know in an equation, if there is only one variable, you can always find the value. In an equation, if there is only one variable, you can always find that missing variable by the rules of algebra. So you can find height from this. After finding the height, you have the formula. Class, after finding AB, can't you use this formula? Do you want me to solve this question for you, or you can solve it on your own? You can solve it on your own. Please tell. I have given you the hint and I hope you can solve it on your own. Yash Khandelwal wants to. Okay, so please solve this. Okay, Hiteshri, fine. 1 second. Okay, question number 2. Harshul, what are you trying to say? To find H, fine. 1 second. Let me open it so that time is saved while solving these. Okay, so we have A, B, C, and D. They have given us the perimeter because the fencing is actually the perimeter only, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now put the values. Perimeter is given to you as 120 meters is equal to AB unknown plus BC is 48 meters, CD is 17 meters, and AD is 40 meters. Everything is fine. All the units are correct. Now let's add these three. What will we get? Please tell. 40, 50, 90, 98 plus 7, 105. So AB plus 105 is equal to 120. That gives us AB is equal to 120 minus 105, that is 15 meters. So we have got the height is equal to 15 meters. We already know the length of AD is how much? It is 40, if I'm not wrong. Yes, AD is 40 and BC is 48 meters. So this is your A, this is your B, this is your H. Just put in the formula. Yes, yes, it is correct, Harshul, correct. So now the area is equal to half into height into sum of parallel sides. We have seen the formula. Now put the values. Now I hope you can solve this question on your own. I don't think it is difficult to solve. First solve the bracket and then simplify it. You will get the answer. And Ananya is saying the answer is 660 meter square. Okay. Okay. Question number 2 is done. 3 is done. The fourth one is diagonal of quadrilateral. Okay. Find the area of field. Okay. This one I will not solve. I just am giving you the hint of this question. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field. This time it is a general quadrilateral. It is not a special quadrilateral. It is not trapezium, not parallelogram, nothing. They have given you a general quadrilateral containing 4 sides which are closed. Let's see. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meters. So suppose I name it A, B, C, D, E, and F. The first thing you should do is you should make a diagram and name it, because after naming you can easily tell the story. Yes, beta. Harshul, you are correct. Let's see what they are saying. The length of diagonal is given to you as 24. So you can say AC is given to you as 24 meter. First thing given. Then perpendiculars are dropped on the diagonal from remaining opposite vertices are 8 and 13 meter. So DE is equal to 13 meters and this BF is 8 meters. So we have got these three measurements. Now what they are saying, find the area of field. So class, have we read any formula to find area of a general quadrilateral? Do you know any formula to find area of general quadrilateral? Please tell. You have seen area of parallelogram is base into height. Area of trapezium is half into height into sum of parallel sides. But you have not read any formula for a general quadrilateral. Then how to find area of such quadrilaterals? Please tell. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is given by two triangles area. If you find separately and you add, you can see there is a upper triangle, first one, and there is a lower triangle, second one, containing some base and height. If you solve them separately, you will get the answers, and you will add them to get the answer of complete field. So area of quadrilateral is given by area of triangle ACD plus area of triangle ABC. Is this statement clear to you? Please tell. I have written a statement justifying my steps that I will find area of quadrilateral ABCD in two ways. First, I will find area of lower triangle, then area of upper triangle, and then I will add it. Okay, answer is 202 meter square. Ananya is saying fine. Now area of triangle ACD is given by half into base into height. What is base of ACD? Please tell class. What is base of triangle ACD? Is it AC, AB or B or DC? Please tell. As this is perpendicular, you have to take AC as the base. What is the height? Height is the perpendicular, that is DE. Plus you have the lower triangle ABC. Tell me what is the base of lower triangle ABC? Is it AB? Is it BC? Or is it AC? Please tell. Very good. Maximum of you are getting the same answer. So here also the base is AC. What is the reason? The reason is because perpendicular lying on whichever side, that side will be known as base. Okay, so we have plus half. Again the base is AC, and the height is BF, or you can say FB. Fine. Now we have got the statement. Now we'll put the values and get the answer. Rachit, but I am solving only. Please see area of quadrilateral. Okay. Now let's try to put the values and get the answer. What is the value of AC? Okay, class, before solving, can you see? Okay, first we let me put the values. Half. The value of AC is how much? 24. The value of DE is how much? 13. Then we have a plus sign. Then we have again half into AC, that is 24 into 8. Rachit, please tell, before solving, I have always told you to look for whatever is common. Can you tell me what is common in these two expressions? You can see this is an expression, this is an expression. In between, there is a plus sign. What is common as per you? Yes, 1 by 2 as well as 24 is common. Why to solve separately when we can take common and make the question easy? So let us take 1 by 2 common and 24 common. Now tell me what will come in the first place, or what is left in the first place. Please tell. 13 is left. Very good. Then we have a plus sign. What is left in the second place? 8 is left in the second place. Very good. Now you can see you have made the question quite simple. So half into 24 into sum of these two sides is what? 13 plus 8 is 21. Now you can solve this. 2 12s are 24 and multiply 12 and 21. You'll get the answer. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24 plus 1 is 25. Is this the correct answer? Please tell. Is this the correct answer? 252 meter square. Okay, so we have found the answer. Rachit, is it fine now? But why you are making me solve all the questions completely? But you will do if I will solve all the questions. Hmm? Okay. Now question number 5. Okay. This time I will not solve complete question. You have to solve on your own. Let's see question number 5. The diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. Class, do you have any idea how to find area of a rhombus if length of diagonals is given to you? Any idea what to do? So question number 8 is important. Yes, I know. I will get to that. Don't worry so long. First, tell me question number 5. Do you know any formula which can help you to find the area of rhombus if length of diagonals is given to you? Ananya has written the formula. Others, please tell. Have you seen any formula? No. Okay. For that, let us write. Problem is the page. Okay, can we clear this completely at once? No. Should we use eraser again and again? No. So that is not that good. Okay, let's see. What is a rhombus? Please tell anyone who knows what is rhombus. First, define rhombus. What is a rhombus? If you remember the tree that we have learned, the flow chart that we have seen, rhombus is a special what? Kaju Katli shape. Very good. Rhombus is a special parallelogram with all sides equal. So it is a parallelogram with all sides equal. That's it. So you make a Kaju Katli or you make a parallelogram, both are correct, but sides should be equal. So let me make the parallelogram for you like this. You make like this, but make sure it is looking like a parallelogram. So this is the parallelogram ABCD in which AC and BD are the diagonals. Okay, so we know area of rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. The length of diagonal 1 you can take as 7.5. You can take this as diagonal 1. You can take this as diagonal 2 and put the values and get the answer. This is directly formula based question where both the lengths of diagonal was given to you. So just put the value and got the answer. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's see question number 6. Find the area of rhombus whose side is okay. Now it is not directly formula based. You will have to do some work to get the answer. In this case, they have not given you the things directly, but indirectly. Let's see how. Again, I will just give you a hint and I expect you to solve the question on your own. I will use the same figure. I will use the same figure for question number 6 also. It is saying find the area of rhombus whose side is 6 centimeter. I have told you one thing. A rhombus is a parallelogram with all sides equal. So can we say this is 6, this is 6, this is 6, and this is 6? Class, is it correct to say like this? Is it correct to say all sides are 6? Yes, we can say. Okay, next thing they are saying, and whose altitude is 4 centimeter. Okay, if one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter long, find the length of other diagonal. Okay, Okay, let's do one thing. You try it on your own, because I think if I give you the hint, then nothing is left in the question to solve. Do one thing, solve this. Tomorrow, if you have any doubt, I will clarify this question. Okay, try to use Pythagoras theorem. So do they mean height by altitude? Joel, I'm leaving it on you. I will give you one more hint. In the case of rhombus, these diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. Okay, then it is not a rhombus because it is not equal. Na? It should be exactly equal. Ananya. Okay, question number 6. I am leaving on you for today. Tomorrow we will discuss if there is any issue. Question number 7. Let's take. It is very simple question that we have seen before also. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles. In the previous example that we have done, we had to find number of tiles. In the previous example of 11.1, we had to find number of tiles, but in this question they have directly given us the number of tiles as how much? 3000 tiles. On a floor you are applying 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped, and each of its diagonal are 45 and 30. So each tile has diagonals length 45 and 30. Find the cost of polishing the floor if, sir, your voice is not coming, Rahil. Others, please confirm. Any issue with my voice? My voice is fine, Rahil. Please check your connection. Okay. Now see, they are saying, okay. So, okay. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if cost per meter square is rupees 4. So tell me, if you want to find the cost of polishing the floor, what you need to find first? If you want to find the cost of polishing the floor, what you need to find first? First, you need to find the area of floor, complete area. But what you know right now is area of one tile. Right now you know area of one tile, and you know there are 3000 tiles. So the question is, can you find easily area of the floor? Again, you have to write the statement, very simple statement as we have used before. Same thing will be used. You will write area of the floor on the left hand side is equal to what? Please tell. Tell me the relation area of floor equal to what? Area of floor equal to area of one tile multiplied with 3000. So this is the relation that we have to follow to find area of the floor. Class, without the statement, don't write the numbers. Okay, numbers don't tell any story. These statement will tell the story what you are trying to do. So better write the story first and then bring the characters in the movie. Okay, without the script, if they will come, they won't be knowing their role in the picture. So I hope you will try these questions. If these questions you have done already, try to move further and try till question number 11, because these last 2-3 questions will give you little bit of trouble, but with concentration, if you do, you will get the answers correctly. Okay, so let me stop the recording here and we'll meet tomorrow. Bye.